Hey girlfriends, welcome back or welcome if you are new here. My name is Lavion and I enjoy posting cleaning motivation, home decor, shop with me, and organization videos. If that's something that keeps your interest, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. In today's video, I wanted to share with you some bedroom and bathroom cleaning motivation just to get you cleaning wherever you may see fit in your own home. First, I'm starting off by cleaning my dressers and my floor mirrors. I like to do this first as a part of my cleaning routine. No particular reason, just pretty much out of habit. If you've been with me for a while, you know that I love using the Sprayway glass cleaner on all of my mirrored furniture. It does a really good job with getting off all of the dust and fingerprints, and it keeps a really nice shine on everything. Moving on to making my bed, ideally I do prefer making it as soon as we wake up, but sometimes it just doesn't happen that way. So now I'm just going to go ahead and knock it out real quick.
Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name. Take me to a different place, just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be the someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be the someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand.
Another one of my favorites is the Snuggle fabric spray. It smells so good and the scent lasts forever. It's definitely something you want to pick up if you ever happen to run across it. I always find it at Walmart. Now I'm just moving right along to my bathroom, and I'll just be cleaning that and freshening everything up. Guys, it's nothing like a fresh and clean bathroom for me, so I always like to make sure that everything is nice and clean on a daily basis. So I do like to wear these gloves while cleaning, mainly to keep my nails looking cute for as long as possible. Y'all know how much those manicures be costing. But mainly to protect my hands from the cleaning products that I use. Now they aren't cleaning gloves. I do like them mostly because they really are comfortable and snug, which really gives me the ability to clean as if I am using my bare hands.
Just the two of us, and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Now take my advice, take my advice. Let go, I wanted you. I know, you feel it too. Cut loose, before we sink into the ocean's blue, the ocean, the ocean, the ocean. It takes some time, even though it's just a smile, but I hate it when I'm faking. With you all night in a body that ain't mine, thinking I am gonna burst. You and I are falling behind, and I'm ready to go get out while we're whole. Now take my advice, take my advice.
But y'all ever have a moment when you look at yourself and be like, oh hey, who's the cutie on duty? Hair flip. Okay, moving right along.
We sink into the ocean's blue, the ocean, the ocean, the ocean. I hear we sink into the ocean blue, the ocean. I wanna leave and finally be free. Free of all our expectations. No more couple invitations. I wanna let go. I wanted you. I know, you feel it too. Cut loose, before we sink into the ocean's blue, the ocean, the ocean, the ocean. I hear we sink into the ocean blue, the ocean. I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now.
After shaking out the bathroom rugs, I threw them in the washing machine. I like to clean them at least every other week just to make sure that they are nice and fresh. I love to use the Swiffer in the bathroom. I feel like it does a really good job with picking up the hair on the floors. Then I'll be moving on to my steam mop. I love using this also in the bathrooms. I feel like it gets the floors really clean and sanitized.
I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind. Find myself, I'm gonna start over new.
Vacuuming or mopping your home, I feel like it just really completes the look to a nice and clean home. And guys, this is the end of this video. I hope that you guys have enjoyed it, but most importantly, I hope that you guys have found some motivation to clean in your home as you may see fit. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a happy thumbs up. And if you aren't already, please don't forget to subscribe. Guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest but I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now.